obviously filming a night routine. I wanted to film a night routine because I haven't filmed these in so long. Right now I'm doing my skincare, just taking off my makeup with this micellar cleansing water, and then I'm gonna wash my face with a cleanser. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. This new product by Ioscience. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is a night serum. I just recently bought this, so I don't know exactly how to use this, but it just says to use, I think, 2 pumps every night after you cleanse your face. So I'm gonna start using this. It literally smells like coffee. About doing yoga. I like to do yoga before I go to sleep just because it calms me down. I feel super relaxed after doing it, whether it be like meditation or yoga, like either one of those things that just make me feel so good. So I'm gonna do yoga. I got my yoga mat from Alo. I turned on my candle and my room just feels super cozy. I turned on like these purple lights. I got the sunset lamp from Amazon, and then I also have like this mirror that has this light behind it, and it's just so cozy. I'm gonna find yoga to do tonight. I like to look for night relaxing yoga, so I'm gonna link down the one that I find on the description. It's gonna be on YouTube. I feel like yoga is just so good if you're like super stressed, or if you have like a super stressed day and you just need to relax, especially those nights where you can't fall asleep. I definitely recommend if you're that type of person that just struggles with falling asleep. I've been doing a lot of yoga recently, like every morning and every night, and like in the morning it just makes me feel super calm, as well as night, but at night it's so nice because it really calms down the mind and like helps you stop thinking so you can breathe and like just enjoy the moment. Because after a long day, whether that be like going to school and seeing a bunch of people that you don't like, or just going to school and having like a hard day, doing yoga or meditation or anything that like is off of the phone is really, really good for the body and the soul, the mind. So I'm gonna do that because I also had a really long day. Like I woke up at 6 a.m. and I'm just exhausted, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a busy day. So let's do some yoga. Now I'm currently making vinegar cucumbers. I found it online. I'll have it like linked down below of where the recipe I found it from. But basically it just goes with apple cider vinegar or water with 3 cups of it, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then as well as 1 teaspoon of sugar just to make it taste good. I'm gonna try to finish this. So I just got a cup of water because I've been trying to get more hydrated recently, especially for the skin. Now I have the cucumber here with me. I don't know if it tastes good. We're gonna try it together. You can definitely taste the apple cider vinegar because obviously you needed 3 cups of it. I used 1/2, but like 3 times. Well, not 3 times because I didn't have enough apple cider vinegar. Maybe I did something wrong, but I'm not sure if I really like this. I'm still gonna eat it, but so now I have to do Mel's nightly routine, which is just like brushing and putting the powder on her tear stain, stuff like that I usually do every night. I need to make this new list for her ear because she still has an ear infection, and the last time she had an ear infection I did like a list of like when to do it, like when, I don't know, it's kind of complicated, but it's easier when I put it down, like the days that I have to do it, because this one you have to do it every other day and I won't be here, so it's gonna make it easier for my parents. I am gonna do it tonight, but I'm just gonna make a list up to 2 weeks because I only have to do it for 2 weeks, and then I have to go to the vet again and then get it checked, whatever. So I'm gonna do this really quickly. So I have all of Mel's things in this little basket. First thing I'm going to start off with is brushing her fur, and then I spray this spray on her because she can't really take showers yet since she's like a puppy, and they say that it's best to just not take a shower when we ever go to the vet. I use this INV tear stain remover powder. Obviously it's not going to remove the tear stain, but it's been helping a lot. And then I'm also going to apply the ear stuff on her ear, and then at the end I just give her treats, and I got these treats from Amazon. I also give it to Bella as well, even though she doesn't really have a night routine. Write in my journal. I basically call this like a diary because I've had a diary since I was in 4th grade, and my dad was the one that like actually inspired me to do this, and I swear to you, this is so nice if you struggle with having a lot of thoughts in your mind and having nobody to talk to about any of this. Also, I have my retainer on, so that's why it sounds like I have a list. I just took it off because yeah, but anyways, yeah, I love writing in the journal. I have 2. This is my 2nd one. I've been writing in this since like 2022 in April. I obviously don't write every night. This is not something I do every night, but anytime I have too many thoughts in my mind, I try to write everything down and let everything out. Or sometimes I like to talk about gratitude, things that I'm grateful for, especially in the mornings. It's so nice to do that. But tonight I think I'm gonna just talk about how my day went because I did a lot of stuff, and I just like documenting it so that I can look back in like a couple years. I just love looking back at my old journal from when I was in 4th grade because it's like hard to even believe how fast I grew up and like all the struggles that I was going through when I was in 4th grade, and now it's like a piece of cake. It's like looking back now, that was none of like such a big problem, but that was just the problem at the moment, and it was like a big thing. Now it's not anymore because obviously it's been a couple of years. It's like crazy to me. It just shows to not stress about the things that you're stressing about. It's all gonna work out at the end, so we just gotta trust. And yeah, I'm gonna write in my journal. So now I'm gonna take some of my daily vitamins. I have like this little organizer. I got it from Amazon. These are the 3 pills I take every night. Actually, I take 4. First thing I take is this magnesium malate, which supports the muscle. Vitamin C for the immune system. I just started taking vitamin C, and I think it's like very, very important to take vitamin C. Then I take biotin, which is for the hair, skin, and nails. And I also take these clear skin probiotics. On my Amazon storefront, I'll have like a board of just like all the vitamins I take. Everything will be there. So right now I'm reading this book called The Energy of Words. I actually got it about 2 years ago, and I've been reading this. I'm on like page 23, but I just wanted to read this to you guys. It says each of us is a micro of the macro. Therefore, the energy we're sending out via the words we choose to use has a ripple effect. Consciously choosing positive charged words will help you make a positive shift in your own life. But keep in mind that your words will also have a positive impact on the world around you. Which is basically just saying like choosing your words carefully is really important. Like choosing the positive words or negative words, because it chooses the, not like, it doesn't choose for you, but like whatever energy you put on your word. For example, when you say hate, that's like such a strong word. It's like a negative word, so then you're just like putting that out, and it just brings back to you as a negative effect onto your life. Like anything negative can happen, which obviously don't live by that, but definitely keep that in mind when you're choosing your words. Talking to people, instead of saying hate, say I just dislike this, or try to change it up, or whatever it is, because usually like the strong words that are hateful or positive have such a big, I don't know if that makes sense. I'm kind of bad at like explaining, but that's kind of like what I got from this. And yeah, I would definitely recommend reading this book. It just talks about the words and the vibration of language to manifest like anything you desire in your life, if you're into manifestations and stuff like that. I'm using this cum wrapper to use it as a bookmark because I don't have any. So anyways, I am basically gonna end this video here. Just to let you guys know that some nights don't look like this. Some nights I literally pass out when I do absolutely nothing. Maybe it's just like my skincare and that's it. But most of the nights this is what I do. I try to keep up with this just because it keeps my mind like on the right direction, especially if I'm like having a busy day the next day, or if I had a stressful day on this day. Like for example, I had a really stressful day today, so I tried to take care of myself tonight and like little small things, whether that be like skincare or just making something new in the kitchen or anything that makes me like feel a lot better. Oh yeah, also especially yoga made me feel so good tonight, so I'll have that link down below too, because I definitely recommend doing yoga. I literally have been doing it for the past 3 days, and I don't usually do it that much, but it's literally like the nicest thing ever. I did it 2 times today. But anyways, yeah, I hope this video helped you guys, or motivated you at least. Just know that everything on social media is pretty much fake, so most of the times, like half the time, my night routine doesn't look like this, but this is what my night routine looks like if I want to de-stress myself and just like take care of my body, my mind, especially for a busy day the next day. Let me know if you guys want more routines like this, like morning routines or just like days in my life. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and make sure you follow my Instagram. Also comment down below the leaf emoji, specifically this one, if you made it up to this point of the video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.